Tell me what you're looking for. Is that me?
Hi guys, it's Monday and it definitely feel like Monday today. I'm just out of it today. I'm so tired and ow, so I'm gonna put stuff with my teeth, you know. No, this hurts. I wait for them people here for workout. As you know, when I work out last week, so I kind of did out of it last week, to be honest. Like, I never have no motivation. I actually don't have none this week either, but I push myself. And I finally get one water. I finally get one water bottle. Yeah, so just me alone. DJ they home. I don't know what she do, but yeah. Yeah, me just trying to walk towards me right now. So tomorrow is Valentine's Day. I gotta do one Valentine's Day look tonight. Hopefully we can edit it tonight and post it early tomorrow morning. Like one last minute kind of thing. Yeah, so hopefully we can have that ready because me not put out on for Valentine's. But I did kind of have some plans, but them never work out because we did want to ship some stuff and they wouldn't come in time. So that did just get fucked. So yeah, so I guess I'm gonna start workout soon because I really want to eat my peanut, you know. But yeah. Anyways, guys, me talk to you soon. I'm gonna go cook tonight, so yeah. So guys, me I did. I just done this on legs. Me I did. But I really did need that because me have so much freaking anger in me right now. I did need to put it. Oh guys, me I go schedule my appointment to get my teeth whitened because it really bothers me and we need something to happen right now, like, you know, like right now, because this shit bother me. So I go try to get them done like ASAP. Guys, I'm really tired. I'm not done, you know. Me have say abs to do. Honestly, I want to give up, but I can't. I'm tired though. I'm really tired. So when I hear Beyonce new album, new song,
which one?
Sandcastle or something like that. She dramatic, you freak dog. You know new?
No, she just like drop a video.
No.
Me not like Beyonce, you know, so.
No, me figure say it never knew because she dropped the video them in
Come
few
funny,
weeks.
you sit here.
Me have vlog by the way.
No, me not have a new wig.
Lord God, Jutina, you never
like
ever have on
always
Priscilla.
Me feel like that I always
You know what? I
cry.
listen to it more see video.
Me not like Beyonce. You like Beyonce?
Me never used to like her, but me really love her. But right now, why Adele say black friends though?
She said me.
No,
She
the way
said-
you make my black friends feel like
She
what
say
you-
the way you make me and my friends feel, the way you make
my black friends. She never
feel.
need to say that. You know?
Yeah, she never have to specify
have-
which
yeah,
friend.
you
She
don't
could
do
have
that.
just say friends.
Yeah. You don't
I
need to
guess
say black
because
friends.
of,
No, I don't guess
pressing
not
issue.
DJ. You
No,
don't
she
want
wrong.
that.
She wrong.
You see, that means that she still a see color. You're not supposed to see none.
Exactly.
It's supposed to just be your friend.
Yeah.
But she never get that. But she me see some on shade room, right? Where Gary Owens. Oh.
Yes, girl, me see it,
Yes,
but
yeah,
the
me say,
barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue, but what people go after him, but you
Yeah.
can't go after him because he really married to one black woman, although you can still be married to somebody that can be racist. But
Really? Me not see how that add up.
Wow. So
You can still marry to somebody and be racist.
I feel like my hair really grow though, because remember saying the cut, it never the hair, so like this is light, you know.
Stretchy.
Lens. This is lens.
And a lens, you know, lens.
Lens.
Weak.
Like you know.
A week.
Like pretty soon, like this soon can flash and thing, you know, like yeah. Yeah, cool.
You know, I hear this, guys. By the way, Aleka make us burgers. Burger.
You feel like we need to buy one charger. One iPhone charger and one charger for the blue phone.
Why you want an iPhone charger?
Because my phone never get fixed. Because one I'm about by the screen.
Let me just cut off this before me embarrass if on camera. So guys, it's Tuesday. Me know me sound rough, but I know me not sleep. Because last night we edit the video. Well, last night we filmed the video. And we didn't really try get up really early this morning. Yo, this is how you know I'm tired. Because when I'm tired, like my voice change. Anyways, so the video going post soon. I did like a Valentine's Day kind of look. Me don't celebrate Valentine's Day, but you know, for you guys that do, it's kind of a date night kind of thing. Nothing too red, nothing typical red lipstick, red eyeshadow shit. Just something cute. I do child. What else? Dija gone to school and Jutina asleep. Cause she stayed here last night. Like Jutina stayed up with me last night, guys, and edit. Like me so happy for it. Me so happy about that. Me know me sound rough, but me can't help it. Like me really want to sleep. Like honestly, like if none of my friend them ever link me to the no and say me not sleep last night, it's gonna turn on very violent. No lie. Yeah, so me know Dija never sleep either, properly either. So me know so when she come home I go to sleep. Anyways, hope you guys like the video. What I doing right now? Me I wait for it for done process. Hopefully me not get copyrighted and none. So yeah. Alright guys. If you don't hear from us for the rest of the day, trust me, that's why I'm tired as hell. Hi guys. Today Wednesday, right? Yeah. It's Wednesday. We're in a tasties. Me and Dija. I feel like a long time on a company road.
Yeah. Well, you know talk on the school.
I mean, me and you together.
Together?
Me I eat patty and crocker bread. We normally get chicken cheese patty when we come in here. If you never try that, you have to try it. With a tasty in a ligani. But I'm not so try. Yeah guys, so me about to eat this one then go work out. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go fast. What happened? What is it? Oh yeah, said to me. I make your woman beat me? Why you so stay bad? You stay real bad. Divorce?
Just joking. You know?
No, sir. No, sir. Because we avoid problems. Me know our baby mother. Say hi. My friend is at work. Peep Alec over there. Why am I just a chill though? So I go in and miss leg day Monday, so she have to catch up today. So me get to sit down and watch her. Even though my hand is shake right now, because I just do some upper body, so my hand is tremble. Yeah guys, so that's what we're up to. Come Dija, come on. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. How much you gone? How much you gone? You not gone?
No.
Oh, it's good. Shaky Maria. I like get up. You don't have nothing to do? You don't have to bake?
No, I wait for dinner.
Bombard! Yes, friend. You live life. Alright, me go cook now. So guys, me about to cook dinner. Me cook this vegetarian pasta maybe. Yeah, vegetarian pasta with just like coconut milk and veg and just, you know, regular shit. May I use black beans and plantain, fried plantains and sweet corn. What else? Broccoli, carrots, onion, yeah, that kind of thing. So I'll show you guys what that look like. Yeah, I'm gonna take my show now how it cook because I never do it before. So let's see how that goes. Even though pasta not nothing for really spoil or whatever, but I'm gonna try it out and show you guys how that look when I'm finished. So guys, me about to roast my tomatoes. I put onion powder, garlic powder and chipotle seasoning on here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that in the oven for like half an hour. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna have broccoli, fried plantain, I'm gonna just cube, fresh tomato, cucumbers, onions, peppers, sweet pepper. This is hot pepper, sweet pepper, and then carrot. And I have the roasted tomatoes and the black beans, the corn, and my seasoning, extra pepper just in case we need it. Yeah, I'm having pasta already. Al dente, I think I say name. Yes, I'm gonna start on the sauce now. Yeah. So I'm just gonna saute them something and then start on the sauce. So guys, this is what the sauce looks like. I soon add it to the pasta and show you what the finished looks like. Alright, I still haven't added the plantains yet. That's all I have left to add. And that's it. So guys, back. I don't eat half my food. Dija done, basically. Alec.
What?
What food there? They cannot get more. You don't like it? Can't do without the meat. It tastes good.
Not forever.
Not forever. Huh? Yeah guys, we really like you. Well, watch Are You the One?
If me like it then.
Did I not hear nothing what you said, DJ? God no. She say if she like it, then. Because she don't like a lot of things. Because I know not hear her, don't get so. So guys, I don't want to vlog all day. But we just done workouts and we're in the supermarket to look for snacks. Because I'm gonna need stuff when we eat my dinner. So I get one pan chips to me at DJ. I may look for something else, but I don't know what else. Forget it. Maybe me just can't please, but me feel like we don't have much options. We don't like wafers. I guess we can get some wafers. We're supposed to even eat that. I doubt that. But yeah, I'm gonna catch that now and go on my yard. Hey guys. We're just suffering. We're gonna look food.
Yeah, but shrimp curry or KFC.
If no shrimp, no, then me I got buy KFC. I'm so sorry guys, like me can't help this shit. If me not get a little carnival body or so. A joke, honestly.
I'm really trying to gain weight, you know, so really no matter what me eat.
Yeah, really no matter what you eat. Now like a baby that cutie, and we can't see her face, see? How that work? Hopefully they have what me want, because if they don't have it, me I go fix. Then people that can cook in the yard. Look how island grill full.
Friday night, nobody no cook on Friday.
Oh, my bad. You know, somebody did actually come here with the intention to buy one macaroon from him. And because and a long time I buy nothing from him. You know? People must say I wonder what the hell why we walk out on camera and I talk to the camera. Down here really full, like no need to go cook on the yard. As if me a cook. They stop put it out here. I have to ask if they have her on their back and make them do it done to order first. So they start come down here, so come big now.
I guess try to tell him to leave.
Anyways guys, I got food. They're not even here where I say.
I'm pretty sure they can't hear.
Really?
Yeah.
Remember when everybody used to have one of them YMCA whatever jacket eh? Remember? Oh god. Where did mean young money, cash money, billionaire?
Yeah.
If only people them would wear young billionaire. Masa me black. Sunburn me up. Hopefully they have more. But look on KFC line dog.
See?
Stink. Hey guys, so we still come back. Guys, we just get with food and we go back home. Like taxi say 4 minutes and me just seen up here. So what's that you mean? You just never catch it? For where?
For where? Okay, come on.
Can I go?
Why am I say tell me where am I go if I did?
No, I just because it said 4 minutes and just because the base said 4 minutes and then you just turn up. Okay. Yeah. Dija.
Yeah.
Should I neglect that again? So guys, we're back home. And one of our subbies gonna catch you by Dr. Pepper.
What's your name? She looks so familiar.
Shoshana.
Shoshana.
Tashana.
Tashana. She looks so familiar.
I'm gonna check my DM on Instagram. Trishana, she name. Right, Trishana? Me no know.
I think me allowed a long. Let me put this bit. If you drink some soda, a long time I drink no soda. Then I also prefer it.
So guys, let me show you my shrimp I'm always get. So I'm always go yo, and if you don't have no, this is the only thing I order from you. And if you don't have it, me go KFC and me buy wings. Me eat nothing else for sovereign. Yeah, me eat grilled shark. But once in a while.
Why I did really want KFC, but the line did long. Cause me I get to hate your food. Cause the only thing me eat are your between sweet and sour chicken and
Imala
chicken. Me try other stuff and it just never work out. I like the shrimp, but it just way too pepper.
So this is how my shrimp look like. Like this shit is just so bomb, guys. But it's expensive.
And that too.
I like $1,000 for you.
I'm cheap.
So and it done to order like it's so bomb with some sweet and sour gravy. And when me tell you some devour this shit. You know that?
It is.
Oh. So we just go keep back. Yeah, update the flash player. And watch some series. And then just chill for your rest of the night. So, where any vlog is so?
Tonight, no.
Or later.
Okay, no. We're not doing this.
Alright guys, so this is where we end the vlog.
I feel like this week vlog very boring.
Yeah, we never really do much this week. We not do nothing this week more than work out and eat.
Let me go to school like one time. We just reading and then I move this week.
Yeah. We are doing. Yeah, we are go somewhere. Oh, we are going. We are going this Trinidad send off party for Alec Sunday. What me I talk about Friday? Sunday. Yeah. Sunday. We are. Oh, and we are film. We are gonna film our video. I almost telling me we are gonna film.
A very exciting video.
Yeah. What I do tomorrow? Nothing really. Yeah, so that's what we're up to for the rest of the night. So deuces. We're out. Bye guys. Enjoy your weekend.
Tell me what you're looking for. Is that me?